Yeah, we are back again. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 9th, 2020. I will continue with this Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. Alright, I see here a row with 4 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers of the missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. So no 2 and the 9 in these two boxes. So the 2 and the 9 goes here and there. 2 and the 9. And look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And the 9 goes there. The other two numbers are the 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 6 and the 5 are missing. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 7, the 3, and the 6 are missing in this big square. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Here we have the 7 and the 6, 7 and the 6. Don't forget that. 7 and the 6, alright. Let me see. Can we 9, 2. Yes. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 7, here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. In one of those 3 boxes, missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here and a 1 there. 1 should be here and then 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for a 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. The 3 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 5. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. In those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the 9 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. 9 in the first column. 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 9 here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left in this third column for the number 8. And then 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there. What I see here, 2, no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then and then ay. How about the number? Yeah, I need to think because how about the number? The number. We have here these two numbers were the 6 and the 7, I believe. Yes, 6 and the 7. Yeah. I think I need to mark some boxes because it's taking too long. Yeah. And yes, these 3 numbers in this row, the missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 6. And look, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, that means 1 box left for this big square. This should be the 9. We have a 9 here, so 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 9, here, here, or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see, yes, alright. And now, 1, 1, 5, and 3. Alright. Yeah. These three numbers in this big square, the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And I cannot do anything because I need to wait. How about these three numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We have a 4 there, so the 4 should be here. 5 is missing. 5 could be here and there, and the 8 is missing. Could be everywhere. Yes. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 4, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 could be here, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, 4. I think I fill some numbers. The 5 and the 8. It's an 8. 5 and 8. Here the 1 and 8, because we have a 5 here. Here the 1 and the 5, because we have an 8 there. Here the 6 and the 7. A lot of pairs. Here the 5 and the 3. Here also the 5 and the 3. How about these two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 8. Yes, we have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. Now we have a 5. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places for an 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Here we have an 8, so this should be a 5. Here we have a 5, so this should be a 3. Here we have a 3, so this should be a 5. And this should be a 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 3 numbers in this column, the 1, the 6 and the 7, and look, 6 and the 7, so 1 digit left for the 1. Here we have the 6 and the 7, I marked them. The other 2 boxes, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle, second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2, no. 6 and 7. 2 numbers left in the first row, the 6 and the 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. We have a 6 now, so this should be a 7, and this should be a 6. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, 1 minute faster than the previous one. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you for watching again for this Sudoku video. And I will see you in a moment with the 4 star Sudoku. I'm very curious because always the 4 stars. If it's a hard one, it will take more than 30 minutes. We will see. So, see you later. Thank you for now, and bye-bye.